The ZLINE 36 Classic Gas Rangetop delivers a professional-style stainless steel surface with a porcelain cooking area that feels solid and substantial in a home kitchen. Its 6 Italian-made burners offer a wide spectrum of heat, from gentle simmering to intense searing, so multiple dishes can be managed at once without feeling cramped. The inclusion of a dual-function burner that comfortably handles both delicate sauces and high-heat searing makes this rangetop especially versatile for serious home cooks. Continuous cast-iron grates create a stable, restaurant-like platform that lets you slide heavy pots and pans across burners without lifting. The control layout, with its substantial metal knobs and accent rings, feels intuitive and upscale, giving precise adjustments without being finicky. A single-piece porcelain cooktop surface, paired with the included conversion kit for liquid propane, keeps cleanup straightforward, while also allowing flexibility in how the rangetop is fueled.